fucker. This is another day on Coconut Grove. Yeah, the last session we had was really good. Obviously the first recorded time I did was 1 minute 15. That wasn't really pushing it too much. Then Gaz, just going around now, he set a time of 1 minute 7. So that really did push me to focus on getting a better time, and literally that session, yep, I dropped mine down to 1 minute and 7 as well. So I'll just go around now, just back on the track. I'm just going to want to check out how muddy it is, see what conditions are like today. Oh, this bit looks very muddy. Oh, yeah, super muddy. So I'll give it a little bit of a practice run. But just looking at the video footage from the last couple of sessions, I can see my fast parts of the track, but I can also see where I'm losing a lot of time, like going around this corner for sure. I'm sure I could take a couple of seconds off. Let's have a look at this jump. Oh no, that is a brick wall. Yeah, I'll probably give that one a miss for today, unless Gaz is going to go on it and soften it up a bit. Also going down this straight, I need to let rip down here. Right, let's start speeding it up a little bit. I think I found that super slow. If I get under 110, I think I'll be shocked. So we are using this timer called RaceChrono. So let's have a look. How do we use this? Sessions. Alright, so this was my last session. Here we go. Alright, as I said, I've got a 109.02. Really good for today. What did he get? 106.8. But yeah, Gaz destroyed me by about 2 seconds, maybe more, possibly 3. So let's see if I can pump out in this session at least 1 lap that I am fairly happy with. I want to get definitely under 1 minute 10. So just coming up to the second to last corner, I'm just in cruise control mode, not really paying attention, thinking things are a little bit too easy, and before you know it, yep, tyre digs into the sand a little bit too much and I'm off the bike. But yeah, my hand took the brunt of the impact, and unfortunately my middle finger just got caught on the handguard, bent it the wrong way. And now, as you can see, it is incredibly swollen. No broken bones, but as you can see, compared to my other hand, yeah, I'm kind of missing a knuckle there. It looks like one giant knuckle. So yeah, that looks like I won't be riding for a week, maybe longer. Give it a little bit of time to recover. So yeah, bugger.